Welcome! I'm your tutor, Prince Falmer Jr., and you are starting your journey to Excel mastery. In this very first episode, we're going to get you completely comfortable. We'll tour the entire Excel workspace, from the ribbon, the tabs, the quick access toolbar, the formula bar. Then we will also look at the worksheet area and the backstage view, so you won't feel lost anymore. Get ready to feel confident. Let's open Excel and explore the environment.
So this is our Excel environment. This is our Excel environment. So up here, just this side where you can see the mouse, as you see the mouse, we call it the title bar. This area is known as the title bar. So that is where you get to see the title of the file you are working with, or the name of the file you are working with. This is called the quick access toolbar. This area is called the quick access toolbar. So this button here allows you to customize the quick access toolbar. So over here, within, when you click down this button, you get to see various commands. What you see in here, we refer to them as various commands. It allows you to either bring in new commands or remove other commands from the quick access toolbar. So you can add new by just clicking on it. I'm adding the new command, so I've added new. So you can do all that. Then over here, these ones we see up here, they are known as the tabs. So they are known as the tabs. We have the home tab, the insert tab, the draw tab, page layout, formulas, data review, and all that. All these are tabs. And then the file tab is also here. Now, this area, you see, this whole area, as you see, is known as the ribbon. This very area is known as the ribbon. The entire area, yes. The ribbon contains various commands that have also been grouped. So under the home tab, this is the ribbon you see with the respective commands, and under the insert tab you see different commands within it. So within the ribbon you will see demarcations, all these ones, these demarcations, yes. So each demarcation represents a group, so the name of the groups are found below. So over here, there is the clipboard group, this is the font group, this is the alignment group, this is the number group, this is the star group, and so forth and so on. So each tab contains various groups. Each tab contains various groups within the ribbon. And now each group contains commands. So each group and then the various commands that work. And let me also remind you that the tabs we see here can also be customized. You can create your own tab and fixing various commands you want to put in there. You can also create your own groups and so forth and so on. So, but for today, we are not doing any of that. As we progress, I'm going to teach you how to do all those things. So we will be looking at them, how to create your own group and all that. And then we come here. This is the backstage view. This is what we call the backstage view. I'm sure you might be wondering why my Excel looks dark. The normal one is green. Yes, I understand. This is just a customization I've done. And as we progress, I will also teach you how to do those customizations. So mine is not entirely different from yours. I've only made some customizations. So over here we call this one the name box. Why is it called name box? It gives the name of each cell. We will be talking of what a cell is. So this is, for now, this is just the name box. It gives the name of each cell we are dealing with. This area is known as the formula bar. This area is known as the formula bar. This is where you get to input your formula or formula you are working with. This is where you get to make those inputs. Yes, so that is why it's called the formula bar. And so on the right side here, we have the scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, and then the horizontal scroll bar. They are all here. They help you to scroll down. Yes, you can also use the scroll button of your mouse, which is also allowed. A lot of things can actually be done. You can do a lot of things with customizations and all that. Yes, we would talk more about it. For now, we are just trying to get familiar with the various uh, aspects of the Excel environment. So down here we have various views. We have the normal view. By default, this is where what opens. That's the normal view. Then we have the page layout. It also has how it displays, and we will be dealing with it. We will talk about it along the line as we progress. And then we have the page break preview. Yes, the page break preview. As I'm saying, we would be diving into all these aspects, all these areas along the line. So this is where you get to zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out, depending on what you are doing. You can click on the percentage here and then choose to make the increments as you please. You get to create new sheets down here as well. So for now, this is what we have, or this is what FALCOT has for you. This is what FALCOT has for you. Relax, there is more coming. There is more coming your way. FALCOT has a lot to offer, and trust me, you will love every single thing we are going to teach you. You would also enjoy the journey so far. As we progress, you will love whatever we are going to do. So stay tuned. Join us on the next episode, our second episode. So we continue the journey. Don't forget to subscribe, share, so that we can reach more people. Follow us on all our social media handles: YouTube at FALCOT College, TikTok FALCOT College, Facebook FALCOT College, Instagram FALCOT College, and let's make this community as big as possible. FALCOT, impacting generations with technology.